Hello, welcome to Next Day Solar. We're here in northwest London installing 12 panels of 460 watts each, which gives us a system of 5.52 kilowatt peak. We will install 8 panels here on the pitch roof, and we're going to have 4 panels on the flat roof where my colleagues are now. So let's crack on and get into it. We are now taking the ballast on the top to weight the solar panels on the flat roof, and our colleagues are doing the hardest job ever. Let's do it. Now we are doing the irradiance test of the panel. Everything looks good, and now we just take the panel to the top. So the lifting bag is helping us to take the panel to the top safely and securely. Yeah, it just makes it easy for us to take the panels to the top. It's a new addition to the team. So at the end of day 1, as you can see, the panels are already installed on the flat roof here, ballasted, everything is mounted, and hopefully tomorrow, if the weather will be the same, this property will generate its own green electricity. This is the second day of the installation. We're going to install here 2 Fox ESS battery 5.12 kilowatt each with a 6 kilowatt hybrid inverter.
From here.
Okay. Our colleagues outside, they started to put the bracketing on the roof, and everything goes well so far. As you can see, we are now passing the cables through the roof from the inverter to the solar panels. There are 2 strings, both going to the inverter inside the bedroom loft.
The inverter is already fixed, the AC wiring has been completed, the AC isolator has been completed. We don't need to put a DC isolator as the inverter has already a DC isolator built in. We are now connecting the RS485 cable, and it's going to go all the way down, and we're going to use that cable to connect the energy meter. So David is right now and clipping the RS485 cable onto the wood, and later on we're just going to go downstairs and wire it. We already done the DC cabling, so we are waiting for the team which is on the pitch roof to complete their DC side, which is putting the panels, and once the panels are up there, we're just going to complete the wiring of those panels, and everything is plug and play. Due to the layout of the roof, we have a Velux window in between the panels, so we are going to use an MC4 cable as an extension to connect the 2 panels. We are now at the last stage of the installation. We are now putting the panels on the pitch roof.
That's all right.
We have now reached the end of this project. So what we've done the last few steps is that we've installed the last panels, and what we've done also is that this complete section is 1 string of 8 panels facing east. So we've started from here and in terms of connections, and all the way on a C loop all the way there, and that's how we connected these panels. And also we have on the flat roof 4 panels and facing south, and we hope at its peak this system will generate 5.5 kilowatt. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you have a pitch roof and a flat roof like this system, please contact us at hello@nextdaysolar.co.uk.